Hello, today I will guide you on how to use Excel's solver feature with a real-world example. First, ensure the solver add-in is enabled. Go to the File tab, then click Options. In the Excel Options window, click Add-ins. At the bottom in the Manage box, choose Excel Add-ins and click Go. In the list, check Solver Add-in, then click OK. Now go to the Data tab. You'll see Solver in the Analysis group. Set up your table or model with input cells, formulas, and a target cell. Click on Solver to open the Solver Parameters window. In the Set Objective box, select the target cell you want to optimize. Choose whether you want to maximize, minimize, or set it to a specific value. In the By Changing Variable Cells box, select the cells Solver can adjust. Can click Add under the Subject to the Constraints section to add constraints. Enter each constraint one by one, clicking OK or Add as needed. Once all constraints are entered, click Solve. Wait while Solver runs the model. When Solver finds a solution, it will show a dialog box. Choose Keep Solver Solution to apply the results to your sheet. Click OK to close Solver. Now your optimal solution is in place. That's it. You've successfully used Solver to optimize a real-world problem in Excel. Thanks for following along and see you in the next tutorial.